Alright, hey guys, this is Mini-Me, and I'm making the follow-up for a Craftbukkit server. Now, that's the one I normally use, so I'm going to take my time to show you. Now, the internet can do most of the work. All you have to do is type how to make a Craftbukkit server. There. So now that we're here, setting up a server, Bukkit Wiki. Boom. Now we scroll down until it said, well, this is the only way I know how to do it, on a Mac OS X. So, obtaining the server files to run a server, please open up Finder and create a new window in your home. Actually, you can just go down to here, but this one hasn't really worked for me. So, what you gotta do is take all this, copy it, open up Terminal, and paste it in. See, it says launch server.command does not exist, so let's do it from scratch. So what you have to do is to run a server, you'll need to start the server drive, server files, create a new folder. So what you gotta do is create a new folder. And what does it say to call it? It says to call it Craftbukkit. I just do it like that so it doesn't give me any hassle. Craftbukkit. There. So now what you have to do is go to bukkit.org. .org, not .com. So, get Craftbukkit. Click there. Never mind, you do not do that. It should be on the home page, just because. Alright, so here, and then download Craftbukkit 1.0.1. And I will have the link in the description, so don't worry about it if you can't find it on the page. So, what I do, I usually take out the 1.0.1 R1 once it loads, and then let's go back here, and we can exit out of this now. Alright, so now that the thing is done, we can go back to the home page. Actually, sorry, did it wrong. Downloads. Boom. Let's rename this. Boom. Craftbukkit.jar. Drag it into Craftbukkit. There. Now it's in there. So now we go back to the interwebs. Alright, create a new folder, download the server files. You can now download the latest build from the front page of the wiki. So, I don't know, I don't see it. So, anyway, move the file to Craftbukkit. Rename it, yep, see, craftbukkit.jar. Easily start the server. You will need a startup script to file. You can read this, hopefully. The following is a basic server script to start your server. Open up text edit and paste in this. And I think this, like the top two lines, is how you fix the first one. So I'll try that and hopefully update you guys on it. Please subscribe. We don't have many subscribers, so, yeah. Just thought I'd add that in there. So, now that that's copied, open up text edit, and paste it in. Boom. Now that that's pasted in, don't touch anything. 2 gigs is pretty much fine, so, I'm gonna go save as start server dot command. Copy, make sure it's that. Start. Actually, I'm server. Since I already have one, I have to change it up. There. Desktop, yep. Start server dot command. Open up terminal, type into terminals. Alright. So now this goes in here. Now we go to terminal and type chmod, like we did in the first video, +X, and then open up this file and drag start server dot command into it. Hit enter. Enter. There. It flashed again, so let's try it. Boom. All this stuff will come up. Just disregard it. All this stuff will pop up in your folder. And again, like in the first video, you have to wait for the spawn area. There's actually 3 different spawn areas for the Craftbukkit server. So you just gotta wait. So there's level 0, level 1, and then level 2. So the same thing applies for all the other, like in the first one, world. These are all the same. These don't matter. It's in the first one, it was just carried into world. But the only thing different, like I said in the first video, is plugins. Alright, so now that you're done with this, stop. Wait for it to say log out. Process completed. Boom. The difference here is plugins. The way you can get plugins is go back to Bukkit Forum and get plugins, obviously. So now we're back here, and you can get whatever plugins you want. You can type in whatever you want to search for. See, like, boom, warp all players to a specific player, and how you do this, it doesn't show this in most other videos, is so what you do is I won't download one, but what you have to do, I'll show you in my other one, is bam. If it says something different when you click on it, just do what it says. Plugins. Alright, so you drag, like with demigods, which is one that I have on my server, you drag demigods into the folder, demigod.jar. Don't mess with it or anything. And then run your server. It might take a few times if it doesn't work. If if it says welcome to demigods type /DG doesn't come up, just keep stopping the server and rerunning it. iEconomy is a very good one to get. So I recommend that. And yeah, that's how you make a server. I'm Mini-Me. We now have 2 servers. And I'm out.